Okay, similar to European hinges, these soft close hinges are just slightly different. It's kind of cool, the soft close feature. But you still got your pivot screw and the set screw, and then your door height screws. A little bit different here in the way that the pivot adjusts. This one, when you tighten it, it moves the door a little more that way. When you loosen it, it moves the door a little bit more that way. But the way the pivot works is definitely different. With this one, I can make that top line up just a little bit better by loosening it just a hair. So I'll loosen this one just a hair to bring it over. And at least it should align a little bit better. You can do the same with the top one on the right here. Just loosen it just a hair. And there we go. That should do it. Just about right. Maybe even a hair more to bring that up. There we go. That's a little bit too much. A little tricky getting it just right. No big deal though. That's adjusting the pivots. Okay, so here it is, this back screw. It sets how close or far away the door is from the cabinet. So it's like this way or, you know, that way. There's not a whole lot of adjustment on these in that, let me show you here. Here's going further away from the cabinet by loosening it. So it pops it out a little bit back here, seats the door away, and then I'll show you moving it closer. It's this one here, and we set it, and you see it pulled the hinge that way, and now it sets the cabinet closer to the door. So traditional European hinges actually have a lot more adjustment to them. These particular soft close hinges, it's just more of a fine-tuning adjustment. It can move just a little bit one way or the other for the pivot or for how far the door is from the frame itself. So there's not quite as much adjustment as traditional European hinges. And just like traditional European hinges, the entire door can be slid up or down by loosening the set screws that are on the sides, and then it's slotted holes that the hinge is mounted to the frame. So if you can lift the entire door up or lower the entire door down a little bit, and that's your kind of your macro adjustment. And then your micro adjustments will be done with your pivot and set screws.